Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Pokemon Go Trainer Club account on Android. We need to open our Pokemon Go app, and then we're gonna log in, and we need to set uh, we're gonna set the new player option, and then we're gonna click this option called Pokemon Trainer Club. We're gonna click this, and right here we need to add all our information about us, like this. We need to add an email address, and we need to accept the uh, the terms in this case. We're gonna click in this green button, and right here we need to set our screen name and our password. And right here we need to add our activation code that this code we can find this code in our email right here. And then there you go, you have your account, your Pokemon Go Trainer Club account. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.